you have to consider one source at one time. Now I am considering only 62.5 volt source. When 62.5 volt source acting alone, what is the meaning of this? I am considering 62.5 volt source only now for time being. Okay. Then the circuit becomes I have to replace this 12.5 volt. How I can replace? Since this is the voltage source, what I have to do? I have to short circuit the both ends. Then the circuit becomes like this or not? Can you understand the concept? Remaining all will appear as same. So, how many meshes you are having now? 3 meshes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. You assume mesh current for each mesh, I1, I2, I3. Now, you write the equation for this mesh. Come here, I have assumed clockwise direction. Okay. Clockwise direction. Since this power is absorbing power means entry plus, leaving minus. Come here, plus minus. That's all. Only 2 elements. You consolidate in mesh 1 by KVL 12.5 I1. Come here, plus 37.5. This is common for I1 as well as I2. I1 is entering in this direction. I2, what about I2? Entering at this side. So, I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2 equal to 0. 37.5 plus 12.5. 50 I1 minus 37.5 I2 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Any doubt? Listen, you write afterwards. Okay. In mesh 2 by KVL, come to mesh 2. Minus plus already there, don't disturb. Coming here, entry plus leaving minus. Entry plus leaving minus. You consolidate. I am starting from here, I am completing cycle like this. Minus 62.5. Come here, entry plus resistance is 12.5. This is common for I2 as well as this is I3. I2 as well as I3. I2 minus I3. Then come to this element, entry plus 37.5. This is common for I2 as well as I1. I am writing equation 2. So, I2 will come first, I1 is opposite. So, minus sign equal to 0. Now, you consolidate minus 37.5 I1 and coming to I2, here 37.5 I2, here 12.5 I2. So, total 50 I2 minus 12.5 I3, minus 12.5 I3 equal to this 62.5 will go to right side. That is all. This is equation 2. So, in mesh 3 by KVL, come here, see these signs are already completed for mesh 2. Now, you have to consider new signs based on I3. Okay, I3 means what ba? I have assumed like this, right? Clockwise. So entry plus leaving minus, entry plus leaving minus, that's all. Only two potential are available. You consolidate plus 12.5. This is common for I3 as well as I2. Come to 25 ohms plus 25. Only one current is flowing here pa. What is that? I3 equal to 0 minus 12.5 I2. I3 25 plus 12.5 evlo pa 37.5 plus 37.I3 equal to 0. Now you write it as a matrix. Write the coefficients of mesh equation 1, 50 I1 minus 37.50. Come to mesh equation 2, minus 37.5, 50 and 12.5, 0. That's all. So you are having three unknowns ba, I1, I2, I3 equal to right side la enna irukku adu eludunga. Right side la vandu 0, 62.5, 0. So according to Cramer's rule, I1 equal to del I1 by del equal to, you solve and tell the answer pa, del I2 by del. In 25 ohms. So current in 25 ohms means what ba? I3. So you just find I3. I3 for me it is coming as 1.1765 ampere. This I3 is current due to (62.5 volt) source. Next step pathina, only 12.5, you consider only 12.5. Then the circuit becomes, you have to short circuit the 62.5 volt. Listen, governing upper governing. I will give enough time to write, okay? I am short circuiting the 62.5 volt considering only 12.5 volt, okay? Then the circuit becomes now like this. (37.5 ohm, 12.5 ohm, 12.5 ohm. Can you understand this step? Just I have replaced 62.5 volt with the short circuit terminal, that's all. Now you consider mesh currents I1, I2, I3. Come to I1. I have considered a clockwise direction, so current will flow in this mesh like this, okay? There are three elements. You consolidate these three elements. Since this is absorbing power, potential positive to negative. Come to 35.5. Entry is positive, leaving is minus. This is already having potential. So you consolidate. I am starting from here and completing here. Then the equation will become like 12.5 I1 plus 37.5, this is common for I1 as well as I2. I2 is entering here, I2 will enter here. So, I1 is opposite to I2. You are writing mesh equation 1. So, consider mesh equation 1 current I1 first, I2 is opposite. So, write negative sign and enter the value. This is the potential difference in 37.5 ohm. Then come here plus 12.5, plus 12.5 equal to 0. Consolidate now, 37.5 I1, 12.5 I1, 50 I1 minus 37.5 I2 plus 0 I3 equal to minus 12.5. This is equation 1. Any doubt? So, come to mesh equation 2. We are having only 2 elements. You give new signs according to the current direction I2. Okay? You are traveling in this way, right? Clockwise. So, entry plus leaving minus. Entry plus leaving minus. So, I am starting from here, come here plus 12.5. This is common for I2 as well as I3, right? So, I3 is entering like this. So, I2 minus I3 is the current flowing through 12.5. Come to 37.5, entry is plus 37.5 into, this is common for I1 as well as I2. Now, I am writing I2, initially I1 is opposite minus I1. That is all, only 2 elements are there. Now, you consolidate, minus 37.5 I1 plus 50 I2 minus 12.5 I3 equal to 0. This is equation 2. So, come to mesh equation 3. According to current direction I3, you give polarity. I am entering in clockwise direction into this 12.5 ohm. So, I am giving new polarity, entry plus leaving minus, entry plus leaving minus. This is already having potential, do not disturb. Now, you consolidate. I am starting from here and I am consolidating these 3 potentials, minus 12.5 plus 12.5 into, this is common for I3 as well as I2. And come here, this is only I3 is flowing in this 25 ohms equal to, there is no source. Then you sum it, minus 12, 0 I3, 0 I1 minus 12.5 I2 plus 25 12.5 37.5 I3 equal to this minus 12.5 will come there as positive 12.5. That is all. You write the coefficients are here. Mesh equation 1 coefficient 50 minus 37.5, 0 minus 12.5. Mesh equation 2 minus 37.5 minus 37.5, 50 minus 12.5 equal to 0. Mesh equation 3, 0 minus 12.5, 37.5, 12.5. So, you calculate I1, I2 and I3. Actually, they are asking current flowing through 25 ohm. Now, we are finding current due to 12.5 volt source. The answer I have as point through 0.23 53 0.2353 ampere. You verify. So finally you have to write like this by superposition theorem. By superposition theorem, current through 25 ohm equal to current through 25 ohm due to 62.5 source plus current in 25 ohm due to 12.5 volt source. So you write the values already found 1.1765 plus 0.2353 equal to 1.4118.